2 bags of our frozen sweet potatoes in our greased 9x13. Make sure it's in a flat layer. Now I have 2 apples that I sliced that we're gonna put right on top. I used a Honeycrisp apple, but you can use whatever kind of apple you like. And we're just distributing that right on top of our sweet potatoes for this super easy 1-pan fall dinner. It's gonna be so good, you guys. Beautiful. Now I have half of a large red onion that I cut into slivers, and we are adding that on top of our apples and our sweet potatoes. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love a sweet, salty dish, and this is exactly what I've been craving. Just make sure all of our onions are separated and distributed. All right, I have my extra virgin olive oil, and we are gonna give this a nice drizzle on top of the entire 13x9. That should be perfect. We're gonna add a little bit of salt because, like I said, I want to be salty sweet, and we're just doing a quick little sprinkle of salt and then some black pepper right on top. Add as much or as little as you like. Beautiful. Now I found this perfect little poultry herb blend that we're gonna use today, and we're gonna use all of these, the rosemary, the sage, and the thyme. And we're gonna kind of just sprinkle them right on top of those veggies. And as it cooks, all of that aroma will be released into our veggies to make a savory, delicious little dinner that anyone can make, and it's gonna taste like a professional chef made it with all of these delicious herbs, right babe?
Yeah, a professional chef did make it.
Thanks. All right, let's add a little bit more rosemary. I'm kind of separating these because these are really big ones, and we want to make sure it's evenly distributed. All right, that looks pretty good to me. What about you?
Oh my goodness, it looks so good.
All right, now we're gonna bring in our classic bratwurst. Now you can use a chicken sausage if you prefer, make it a little bit healthier, but I love bratwurst, especially in the fall. So we're gonna add our bratwurst right on top of everything, and it's just gonna cook so beautifully with those veggies. The timing of them are perfectly aligned. I do have another pack that I'm just gonna get one out of, and I'll freeze the rest for later.
I'll cook it up, it's fine.
Yeah, perfect. We're gonna finish this up with another drizzle of olive oil so that we can get like a little bit of a sear on our bratwurst. Oh yeah, you could also do an Italian sausage. The options are endless. Do another round of salt and pepper just for those worst. Is that how you say it?
Yeah, they're not the worst though.
All right, a little bit of pepper. Keep it simple because those herbs are gonna be the star. All right, my oven is set to 350, and this is gonna cook for 50 to 60 minutes. Oh my. This looks absolutely incredible. Those sausages have that sear that I was mentioning. You can tell those veggies are perfectly cooked. The frozen sweet potatoes brought a lot of moisture. Now you can cut up your sausages and have little sausage coins in this, but I'm just gonna serve myself a whole sausage. The herbs already did their job. You're not gonna wanna eat those. And then let's grab some veggies. Oh my goodness, all those sweet potatoes are nice and soft. They're just falling apart in my tongs. Oh, it smells good, huh?
Oh my gosh, it smells amazing.
And I want this extra crispy tip. That looks like a beautiful bite. It's gonna be really hot though. That is delicious. Oh my goodness, the sweetness from the veggies, the saltiness from the bratwurst. This is a really good one, you guys.